Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Going to ride with Cody from UTMX. You guys probably seen him in another video by now, but we've got the 2020 KTM 300 XCW and we've got a new silencer on it. So we're gonna go test that out. And then I think Cody's bringing a Beta 200RR with a lowering kit. So it'll be interesting to see what that's like. It's 28 degrees.
Okay.
Welcome back. We are out riding some mountain single track today, and as you can see there, as we pass some people, they were running a 55K trail run, and it was a Saturday, and the first time that this trail system here in the mountains has been open. So it was a crazy busy day. Saw way too many people and lots of dirt bikers. While I'm all for getting out and sharing the trails with everyone, it probably was a mistake for us. We should have probably waited until there was less people. Watch the entire video to find out why. But also on this ride, guys, I have my 2020 KTM 300 XCW TPI, which is perfect for mountain single track like this. Very nimble, plush suspension, great power. But I got a new silencer. I got an FMF turbine core 2.1 on there. Sorry about the audio. I'm still trying to figure it out and use a mic, but I messed up the settings and it was worse. Kyle, who's with me, I've never met. He has a GasGas EX300 two-stroke, and Chase is riding I think a 2003 YZ250 two-stroke, and then Cody, who you guys have seen on the channel, UTMX, he is riding a Beta 200RR.
That's okay. 300, just get stuck. Yeah, like when there's rocks and stuff on the side, I think I'll get used to it, but usually like you kind of put your foot out, it's hitting it because I'm not.
Oh yeah, because you're used to being higher up on the seat.
So now like I see it and I kind of put my foot out around the turn and it hits the rock and pulls me back. I'm like, oh shoot.
All right, guys, we are headed up this ravine. It's such a fun section. And as I mentioned earlier, I have a brand new FMF turbine core 2.1 on the 2020 KTM 300 XCW. And I'm trying this out for the very first time. I don't really notice a difference while I'm trail riding in the power delivery. The sound does sounds a little bit more throaty than the stock or the OEM silencer. But the real reason I'm doing this is I want to make sure that I am USFS spark arrestor approved so that I don't start a forest fire and I also don't get a ticket. That's the real reason. These bikes have plenty of power and I'm not really trying to get more power. They claim it smooths out the entire power band. Honestly, on this ride I couldn't really tell much of a difference versus the OEM silencer, but who knows.
It's too dirt in here, which is fun. It's a little dusty, but we'll take this.
Comment below, guys. I want to know what your woods or single track weapon of choice is when it comes to dirt bikes. Hit me up, let me know what you guys are riding.
It's not enough to tear up the trail, so that's good. Wow!
Last time I was up here with my boy Milo on his HCM65, and there was cougar tracks right here on the trail.
At this point, I'm in the front, and so I start thinking about if there's going to be other people down. So I'm thinking about a head-on collision, and I wish I would have known. We would have slowed down a bit. Was this a prediction of the future? Who knows?
You gotta be careful though. We got a billion guys out Saturday.
I love everything about it except how I feel squatted.
Yeah. Yes.
If not for that, I think I would really love it.
That's one of my biggest complaints about it. You're just too far down in the cockpit.
Is the 300 smaller too?
Uh-huh.
All their bikes are
They're all
smaller?
around the same. No, not all of them. So they have that
Like the
300 RX that's actually like more of a full size bike. But yeah, they're all a little bit more compact.
What's up, guys?
How's it going, guys?
How's it going?
Good.
Good day to be out, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
So we got Kyle on a 300 GasGas EX300, so it has linkage in the airport. Woo-hoo. A little more dusty up here where the sun's exposed. Ooh. Gotta use my front brake. It is a nice trail though to hike on. Easy. Not super steep. Ow! Whipping the shin there. I think that's an old 3YZ250 that Chase is riding.
Are you guys good down there?
I'm gonna write it down.
It is. bark and raptors just nailed my hand, yeah.
Is it like numb and tingling?
Think it's broken? Here, I'll hold this bike if you want to. Whose bike is that?
That's mine. I just tipped it over. Yeah, I think I broke my hand. Which one? Oh, my left hand.
Shoot, dude.
Oh, is it just hurting or is it like tingling?
Everything. It's tingling and
I
Sharp
thought it
pain?
snapped because you're holding like this. Oh no.
This one yours?
Yeah, I ditched it to help him.
Okay.
Because he was going down the cliff.
I was hoping it wasn't like a big pile.
Dude, I didn't even see there's another one down there.
No, yeah,
Yeah, so I saw him hit and I saw him go that way, so I went that way to go
Get away.
see if.
down this way?
Dude, I'm glad you didn't get any branches like compelling you.
Yeah, my hands are tingling.
Yeah.
I bent my new bars, but.
Oh, that sucks.
You want us to roll this down there? You okay?
Yeah, I'll ride it out if you want to. Like, just we want to make sure you're all right.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, I honestly, I don't know. That's pretty steep. Do you think we should just turn it around?
I would just go
Let's
down
go
into
right
the
here.
meadow and then come back up the other way.
Is it
Go down into the meadow.
gonna
and
come out but down there?
I think you should be fine.
If not, we can just pull it right here, Cody. We could literally just
Yeah, I think.
go right up this.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's.
Yeah.
Big slide. Did your hand hit like the bike or the ground?
Where's the bike?
He's down. He's pushing the bike down.
Is it your wrist too?
My wrist is okay. It's just like my fingers and my top of my hand.
Yeah, bleeding too down here.
Did you get it in a chain or anything,
No,
or
just
just
handlebars.
Whacked. All right, well,
At this point, Kyle's hurt. He's saying his hand's broken. Man, feels super bad. Never want to see a fellow rider go down, especially in a head-on collision. Those are terrifying. Glad it wasn't worse, but at this time, you know, Cody and I are going to head down, pick up a truck to come get Kyle so that he can head out to the hospital. I have switched over to the Beta 200RR, and this has a lowering kit, so it feels really low. But man, I really love the Beta 200 two-stroke motor. It's a really good motor, and for gnarly single track, it's fantastic. Great bike, highly recommend it. Would not put a lowering kit on it in my opinion. I think that makes it too low. But this is actually for Cody's dad, who just wants to get out and trail ride. He wants to be able to put both feet on the ground with ease and sit down the whole time. So he's really just trying to, you know, enjoy riding. But at this point, we're following the other guy that was in the head-on collision. I don't remember his name, I apologize. But he is on a Kawasaki. He felt a little beat up, but didn't feel like anything was broken. So we followed him out, and then, you know, we head down to go grab a truck to get Kyle out. So spoiler alert, Kyle does end up, he broke his hand in 2 different places, and he actually went into surgery to get it fixed. He needed a rod and to be able to fuse it together. So heal up, Kyle. Hope you get feeling better, man. And hopefully we can get out and ride before the end of the summer.
whoa! I was not looking. That would have been not good. You had me all worried. I thought it'd be worse than it was. It's not terrible, but the faster you go, the scarier it is.
Well, and that stuff, we didn't have any like those rocks on the side.
it is definitely, it's like riding a mini bike.
Dude, when I first stepped on that though, I felt like I was on stilts.
Oh yeah, because you switch, you're like, oh wait, what's going on?
I'm way too high, I can't do this.